Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. My name is Steve, behind the camera is Lee, and today we are joined by one of the UK's leading in paint and bodywork, Colourcraft's 997 Porsche Turbo. So just like that, the Colourkraft 997 Turbo has been cleaned and is ready to go back into storage. Now, the car came to us pretty clean as it was, but it had done approximately 400 miles on the back of a transporter from Essen Motorshow back to Colourkraft themselves. So they sent it over to us to give it a wash. Now what we've done, we took off the light dusting that was on the paintwork. We put some C2 on the paint as well to help it with slickness and also protect it a little bit, especially when it goes under a cover. We've gone through the interior a little bit, but ultimately the exterior has been extensively cleaned and ready for storage. So now I'm going to pass you over to Lee. Have a little look around the car and let us know what you think down below.